Let's talk about 3 things that people fight at work that would actually really help them, so they make things way harder for themselves. The first one is what I call arguing with unpreferred realities. See, so many people don't realize when circumstances get challenging and you're in what I call drama or an unpreferred reality, that's not where you want to step down and do what I call BMW drive or blame, moan, and whine about the situation. In an unpreferred reality is where humans add value. Because if the reality was perfect, humans would have no value to add. So that unpreferred reality is actually where you add value, and we want humans to step up. Here's the technique that'll help you stop fighting this opportunity that you have every single day. Use given that, and then name the unpreferred reality. So given that I have an email without all the information I need, given that unpreferred reality, what would great look like? I got the information. What else could I try? Just roll with that. It's given that. Pick up the phone, that's an idea, call the person, and boom, you got the information. Now, the second thing that you might be fighting that will help you so much in your career is what I call standardization, or new processes that will help our team get work done more efficiently. See, if you want great outcomes or results that are repeatable, sustainable, you can count on them, that's done through good processes. Your team might be bringing in software or a checklist or a best practice, and this is designed to help you get your work done efficiently to free you up for higher level work. And so often we roll out a best practice software, and I hear teams go, yeah, I know that's worked in 1,000 other companies, but we're kind of special over here on like the 3rd floor. Do we need to follow that process? And what ends up happening is we have a process different on every single floor, and there's no standardization. So then we can't scale. So then you have all these manual workarounds and diving catches, and it gets to be a really hard day. So my recommendation is say yes to a good enough process. Say, I'm doing it. Do it as best you can and free yourself up for higher level work. And please don't choose your personal preference over the potential of the business. Now, the third one is change for the most part. Most change is actually going to help us modernize and do things a bit more efficiently or better in the future. And when you start to resist change, you start to fall behind, and that soon affects your performance. Because when we resist change, we get unready for what's next, and then we have one option to resist more of the change as our business evolves, and then work gets really, really tough, and we're not able to respond as the business needs. And so those are the 3 things I see people fighting right now, and you might be fighting that's holding you back. Say yes to those, and I promise things will free up for you.